Hello class, welcome back. This is part 2 for color theory, and in the last class I was talking about color, additive colors. And just to recap, we left at red, green, and blue, which are the primary additive colors. And you learned that they are coming from a light source. So now the question is, what do you call the colors that do not come from a light source? The answer is very simple. They're called subtractive colors. And just like the additive primary colors, these subtractive colors also have their own primary colors, but they are slightly different. So as I mentioned before, the subtractive primary colors have three, and they are red, yellow, and blue. Now, these are some facts, very important facts, you might want to write it down in your notebook, about subtractive primary colors. They are red, yellow, and blue. They cannot be made from other colors. They are considered the basic colors. And all other colors can be created by using a mixture of any of these three colors. So again, the subtractive primary colors, which are the ones that you learn during your art class, are red, yellow, and blue. Now, as I mentioned before at the end, all of other colors can be created by using these three. So if you have paint that is red and yellow and blue, you can make all other colors and any other color really. So they also have three categories. So you have your primary, your secondary, and your tertiary. And so you start with your primary colors. Remember, these are subtractive colors because they can get mixed with each other, okay? So you have a bottle of red, a bottle of yellow, and blue. Those are your primary colors. With your primary colors, you can create your secondary colors because what you do is you mix them among each other to create secondary color. As you can see here, red and yellow make orange, and orange becomes the secondary color. Yellow and blue create green. Red and blue create violet. So your secondary colors, as the word shows it there, are orange, green, and violet. Now, the next group is your tertiary colors, which is a mix of your primary colors with secondary colors. For instance, as you can see here, when you mix red with orange, you get red-orange. That means that your orange looks a little bit more reddish because, of course, it has more red color in it. When you mix yellow and orange, you get yellow-orange. That is your tertiary color. Yellow-green is another tertiary color, and the list goes on as you can see. Blue-violet, blue-green, red-violet. And so this is what ends up happening. You have your three primary colors. When you mix your primary colors, you get your secondary colors. And when you mix them, the primary and the secondary, you get your tertiary colors. So you get all of this together to create your color wheel. As you can see here in the color wheel, we start with primary, secondary, after the primary, and then you get your tertiary. On the next section, I'm going to be talking about these combinations and other facts. So until the next video, review all this information. See you next time. Ciao.